Hey beautiful people, my name is Jennie. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with a hair video. I saw Jennie Jenkins create this wet look over a year ago. This like wet look, beach waves, I loved it basically, and I was like, ooh, I want to try that. She had a short bob very similar to what I've got going on right now, except hers was straight, mine is body wave. So I'm basically going to be watching her video and trying to recreate the look I saw her recreate. I've got some of the same products she had, others I'm just making do. Let's see how I do. Can I achieve what Jennie achieved? Keep on watching. The hair that I'm wearing is from Klaiyi hair. I will put a little clip in the corner showing the original length and style the hair came in, because I have chopped it down to a shorter bob. It came in 12 inches all the way around. I've chopped it down to 8 inches stroke 10 inches, a mix of, and it's super cute. I've been wearing it pretty much straight, but I was swimming yesterday, so it's gone back to its original body wave. Jennie's hair was straight, so I feel like my hair will probably be better for the wavy textured look because it's body wave, so it already naturally has that. So we're going to be going for that. The hair will be linked in my description box. Make sure you check it out. You guys have been loving the shorter look on me. You guys have been saying it suits me. You're loving the bob. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. We're looking good. I'm feeling good. Okay, Jennie, let me see if you can help me slay my life.
Doing well. So today's video is going to be a hair and makeup tutorial. So I really wanted to try the wet look, the bronzy, glowy, sun-kissed beachy waves look. The first thing I have is this Wella mousse. It's like for curls and waves. It's meant to define your curls and waves. Wet look, the bronzy, glowy, sun-kissed beachy waves look with the hair and the makeup as well. And I'm going to be featuring my hair again. So let me do the hair first and see how it goes. So you can use whatever you have. So first of all, my hair isn't wet. I thought, let me try it out dry. The first thing I have is this.
Okay, so she does hers dry. Like normally if I was trying to create this look, I would probably wet the hair first with like my spritzy bottle, but she does do it dry, so I'm going to follow my girl Jennie.
Wella mousse. It's like for curls and waves. It's meant to define your curls and waves. So I'm literally gonna spray this all over my hair. So this is a mousse. It should wet the hair as well. And then if it actually wants to come out.
It looks like my mousse has seen better days. It literally just came out like in liquid form, not even moussey. But I do have the exact same Shockwaves Wella mousse, and I love this mousse. I use it all the time. Maybe it's lost all its foam, but I'm just gonna put it in kind of the way she does on my dry hair. I feel like you are going to use a lot more product if you don't wet the hair first, trying to drench it. But let's just drag this mousse through the hair like my girl Jennie does.
So I'm going to apply literally a generous amount into my hair, and then I'm just going to see how that turns out. I wanted to show, but yeah, I'm just going to keep going.
I'm just going to keep going too. Okay, so the mousse is all the way through the hair. It's already giving me that wet look vibe, but my girl Jennie doesn't stop there, so we're gonna carry on to ball. Okay, what's she say?
Got to be beach matte mermaid look, texturizing salt spray. This is just going to give it some more texture and also hopefully add some volume to it as well.
So I don't have a salt spray, but I do have a sugar spray, and they're pretty much the exact same thing. Really good for adding texture to the hair. So where's my sugar spray? So I'm using the Sugar Lift from Wella as well. I love Wella products. I used to work for Wella. So we're going to use the sugar spray to do exactly the same thing as the salt spray.
So the next thing I'm going to do to lock it in is to use like a spatula.
Okay, so basically she just put the salt spray all the way through the hair, and this will definitely make it wetter because we didn't start with any water. Oh, that smells delicious. You don't want it to just lie flat because it's wet. So run the fingers through this. Okay, what's next, Jenny?
Gel, and this is the VO5 Wet Look Styling Gel. This is going to give it that wet look. Also, kind of keep it in place. So while I'm applying that, I'm also scrunching up the hair like so to kind of give.
Okay, so she used the VO5 gel. I don't have a VO5 gel, but I do have a Wilko bargain wet look hair gel, so that's what we're going to use. This was like 50p. Come on. So I'm going to be sparing because I hate putting too much product in my hair, but that's quite a lot anyway. And I'm going to drag that through, and this is going to be good to really hold the wet look. So once it's dry, the other products may dry up as well, but the wet look gel won't. It will hold that wet look for hopefully a whole day and a few more days. Let's see how long this look lasts. I'm going as much from the base as I can and just dragging that gel through. And then, as Jenny said, you've got to start scrunching to try and get those curls in. Make sure it's not too straight. Scrunch up, get the curls, get some volume, put in some texture. And I think we almost here.
Okay, so it should look something like this. I am loving this. I'm getting that Tiana Taylor fade vibe.
So she goes on to do her makeup, and then she comes back at the end for the final look. I'm just going to give you guys my final look now. Obviously it still needs to dry down, but I'm loving it. I feel like we maintained the curls. It is quite sticky. There is a lot of product in there, but we've definitely got that wet look vibe. And it was super easy. That didn't take more than, I would say, 7 minutes. So products that we used: wet look gel, styling mousse, and a sugar or salt spray. I used a sugar spray, she used a salt spray. Same difference. And I'm loving it. So let me know, guys, what you think of this look. Did we do the damn thing? I need to, like, I don't know where, I'm not going to any beaches soon, but this would be such a cute look on holiday, beach vibes, serving sauce. So we're looking good, we're feeling good. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hair is definitely linked, so make sure you check out Klaiyi hair. It's bomb.com. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
Why yo, classic. Oh na na na, oh na na na. I remember then when we done it hustle for the street, knowing one day you go pay. And I was start having the belief, we I get paid too.